OMNIS. Software on a whole new level. OMNIS puts the sample in the focus. Now, what does this mean? In a first step, you define a subsample for each parameter you need to determine. After completing the analysis of the subsamples, OMNIS collects the results for each parameter and connects them to your sample. The benefit is clear. Whatever your questions regarding the sample are, OMNIS answers them at a single glance in a single report. The graphical user interface of your OMNIS system is designed for intuitive operation. All available instruments are instantly recognized in the software. Simply select the instruments you need and configure your OMNIS analyzer by drag and drop. OMNIS supports you with an auto-completion function. Whether you are looking for an operating procedure, a method, or a sample profile, simply start typing the name of the file. OMNIS will narrow down your search results, guiding you to whatever filed information you are looking for. When entering data on the OMNIS user interface, OMNIS checks the validity of your input. OMNIS actually warns you if your input fails this check. Even better, move your mouse over the field in question and OMNIS helps you to enter valid data. OMNIS, intuitive software for better results.